What's going on YouTube? Joshua here with SaltyScales.com. Today I'm going to show you how to skin a catfish like a pro in less than 2 minutes. Come along, it's super simple. You just need a few fundamental things. A nice sharp knife, some vice grips or some pliers. That's it. Let's go. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to cut them on both sides. Right behind this hard part, this bone area, go ahead and slice them on both sides. Now, grab it and go straight down right here with a sharp knife. Helps to have a good pair of gloves too, guys, because then you can actually hold on to the skin. Grab the skin right here. Go ahead and grab the skin. Get it started on that side. Turn it over. Grab the skin on this side. Peel it straight back. Now what you do, you take this, push it straight down, and it pulls out the entrails, just like that. Throw the head, the entrails away. Rinse your meat. So what you want to do is get any of the extra guts out of the cavity. And this is essentially what you have here. Alrighty, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed it. Very simple, how to clean a catfish like a pro in under 2 minutes.